How traders make quick profits in just 60 seconds. But wait, is it real or is it a scam? Today, I'll explain what binary trading really is, how it works, the risks, and whether you should trade or stay away. Binary trading is one of the simplest trading methods, but is also risky. In this video, I'll break down the basics, how binary options work, the pros and cons, and the truth behind the hype. Stay till the end because I'll also share a beginner-friendly demo trade. What is binary trading? Binary trading is a type of financial trading where you predict whether an asset's price will go up, call, or down, put, within a fixed time. If your prediction is correct, you earn a fixed profit, usually between 70% to 90% of your investment. If you're wrong, you lose the full amount you invested in that trade. This form of trading is called binary because there are only two possible outcomes, win or lose. It's commonly used for assets like currencies, forks, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Unlike traditional trading, where profits depend on price movement, binary options offer a fixed return, making them simple but highly risky. While binary trading is legal in some countries, many brokers are unregulated, leading to scams. Some platforms even manipulate trades. That's why it's crucial to choose a regulated broker and develop a proper trading strategy. Binary options can be profitable, but they are not a guaranteed way to make money. Many traders lose because they trade without proper knowledge or risk management. If you're interested in binary trading, start with a demo account to practice before risking real money. Example, let's say you're trading your USD. You predict the price will go up in the next 1 minute. If you're correct, you make 80–90% profit. If wrong, you lose the entire trade amount. Pros of binary trading: simplicity and easy to understand. Binary trading is straightforward. Just predict whether the price will go up, call, or down, put, within a fixed time. Unlike forks or stock trading, you don't need to analyze complex charts or price movements in detail. Fixed risk and reward. You know exactly how much you will win or lose before placing a trade. You invest $100 in a trade with an 80% payout. You either win $80 or lose your $100. There are no surprises. Quick profits trades can last as little as 30 seconds to a few minutes, allowing you to make quick profits. Unlike long-term investments, binary options let you earn money in a short time. Low capital requirement. Many binary trading platforms allow you to start with as little as $10, $50, making it accessible to beginners who don't have large funds. Available for various assets, you can trade currencies, forks, stocks, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, giving you multiple opportunities to find profitable trades. Cons of binary trading: high risk, 50-50 probability. Binary trading is like gambling. Your chances of winning or losing are almost 50-50. If you don't have a strategy, you will likely lose more than you win. Loss of entire investment. In traditional trading, you might lose some money if the market moves against you, but in binary trading, you lose 100% of your trade amount if your prediction is wrong. Scam brokers and market manipulation. Many unregulated brokers manipulate prices, delay withdrawals, or refuse payouts. Some platforms use fake charts to make traders lose. Always choose a regulated broker to avoid scams. Limited control over trades. Unlike forks or stock trading, where you can adjust or close trades early, binary trading locks your position once placed. You must wait until the trade expires, reducing flexibility. Not legal in some countries due to its high risk and scam potential, binary trading is banned in countries like the US, Canada, and the UK. Always check if it's allowed in your region before trading. Final thoughts: binary trading can be profitable, but it's also highly risky. Many beginners lose money quickly due to a lack of strategy and poor risk management. If you're new, start with a demo account, use proper strategies, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Binary trading itself is not a scam, but many brokers and fake gurus promote false promises. Regulated brokers exist, but some brokers manipulate trades. If you trade without knowledge, you will likely lose money. So should you trade binary options? If you're new, I recommend practicing on a demo account first before risking real money. Now that you know what binary trading is, do you think it's a good way to trade? Comment yes if you want to try it, or no if you think it's too risky. Also, don't forget to subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you how to set up a free demo account and start trading.